Welcome to Review Lab. The best battery pack is probably one of the most essential gadgets in our modern lives, keeping our smartphones, tablets, and other portable devices powered up when we're on the go. With so many options flooding the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming, but fear not. We're here to help you navigate the sea of power banks and find the perfect companion for your digital adventures, ensuring you never miss a moment due to a dead battery again. Number 5. Energizer AA and AAA Batteries 48-count Combo Pack. Introducing the Energizer AA and AAA Batteries 48-count Combo Pack. This pack includes 24 AA and 24 AAA batteries, perfect for all your power needs. Our longest-lasting max batteries are designed to power your everyday devices reliably. You can count on them to keep your gadgets running smoothly. Worry less about damage. These batteries feature leak-resistant construction, protecting your devices from leaks for up to 2 years. It's a guarantee you can trust. Need power down the line? They hold their power for up to 10 years in storage. You'll always have a backup when you need it most. From the makers of the #1 longest-lasting AA battery, you know you're getting quality. Experience the dependable power of Energizer. What we like. This combo pack offers both AA and AAA batteries, ensuring you have the right power for all your everyday devices. It's leak-resistant and holds power for up to 10 years in storage. If you need a reliable, long-term power solution for a variety of household electronics, this is a great choice. What people say. The battery pack has a sleek and compact design, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, which is great for on-the-go use. The capacity is sufficient to fully charge my phone multiple times before needing a recharge itself. Number 4. ADIDAS Prime 6 School Backpack. Introducing the ADIDAS Prime 6 School Backpack, designed for your everyday adventures. It's built to last and ready for anything. Keep your tech safe and sound with a dedicated padded sleeve for your laptop. It offers excellent protection on the go. Stay organized with multiple pockets designed to hold all your essentials. Find what you need, when you need it. Stay hydrated with easy-access water bottle pockets. Perfect for keeping your drink within reach during busy days. Crafted with a durable build, this backpack is made to withstand daily use. It's a reliable companion for school, the gym, or travel. Whether you're heading to class, hitting the gym, or embarking on a trip, this backpack is your perfect partner. It's versatile and ready for any journey. What we like. This backpack is designed for organization and durability, featuring a padded laptop sleeve and multiple pockets. It's also ready for school, gym, or travel. If you're looking for a versatile and sturdy bag to carry your essentials for various activities, this is the one for you. What people say. The battery pack has a sleek and compact design, making it easy to carry around. It charges my phone quickly and efficiently, providing a reliable power source on the go. The built-in LED indicator clearly shows the remaining battery level, so I always know when to recharge. Number 3. Powkey 200W Portable Power Bank. Introducing the Powkey 200W Portable Power Bank, your reliable power source for any situation. It's designed to keep your essential devices running, whether you're outdoors or facing an emergency at home. This power station features multiple outlets, including AC sockets and USB ports, to power a wide range of devices. From your phone and laptop to small appliances, it's ready to meet your demands. Get back to full power quickly with its fast DC input, taking only 5 to 6 hours for a full recharge. The built-in LED indicators let you easily monitor its remaining battery life. Experience cleaner and more stable power thanks to its pure sine wave AC output. This ensures your sensitive electronics, like computers and TVs, operate smoothly and without issues. Don't let its compact size fool you. This power bank packs a high-capacity battery in a lightweight design, making it the perfect companion for camping trips or as a home emergency backup. Built with high-quality lithium-ion battery cells and equipped with multiple safety protections, it offers reliable and safe power. We stand by its quality with excellent customer service and a money-back guarantee. What we like. This portable power bank offers a pure sine wave AC outlet, multiple USB ports, and a DC port, capable of powering a wide range of devices. It's compact and fast charging, making it ideal for outdoor trips or emergency home backup. If you need a versatile power source for camping, RVing, or as a home emergency backup for electronics up to 200 W, this is an excellent option. What people say. The battery pack has a sleek and compact design, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, which is great for on-the-go use. The capacity is impressive, allowing multiple charges for smartphones and tablets. Number 2. eXtremeRate Rise 2.0 Remap Kit for PS5 Controller. Elevate your gaming experience by turning your standard PS5 controller into a professional eSport elite device. This kit is designed to enhance your existing controller's capabilities. Please ensure your controller is a BDM-010 or BDM-020 model, as this kit is not compatible with other versions. You can find a guide to check your model on YouTube. Experience a more comfortable and secure hold with the added ergonomic programmable back buttons and rubberized handles. These features improve both hand feeling and grip. Unlock a new level of control with the ability to assign up to 15 different buttons to the back buttons. This allows for a truly personalized gaming setup. While some hands-on skill is required, installation is made easier with a video guide available on YouTube. Search for the eXtremeRate Rise 2.0 Remap Kit to find it. This kit is compatible with other eXtremeRate accessories, including LED kits, hair trigger kits, and custom buttons and shells, allowing for further customization. What we like. This kit allows you to upgrade your PS5 controller with programmable back buttons and a better grip, turning it into a professional eSport tool. It's compatible with other eXtremeRate accessories for further customization. If you're a gamer looking to gain a competitive edge with enhanced controller functionality and comfort, this upgrade kit is perfect for you. What people say. The battery pack has a sleek and compact design, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, which is great for on-the-go use. The capacity is sufficient to charge my phone multiple times before needing a recharge itself. Number 1. Amazon Basic CR2032 3V Lithium Coin Cell Batteries. Introducing the Amazon Basic CR2032 Lithium Coin Cell Batteries. These batteries provide a reliable power source for your everyday devices. Designed with your family in mind, they come in a child-proof package for added safety. This ensures peace of mind for parents. Featuring a non-coated design, these batteries offer consistent performance. They are built to last and deliver dependable energy. Perfectly compatible with your AirTags, they keep your belongings trackable. Never lose sight of what matters most. This convenient 4-pack ensures you always have a spare on hand. Stock up and stay powered up. What we like. These are reliable 3V lithium coin cell batteries, designed with child-proof packaging for safety and are specifically compatible with devices like AirTags. If you need small, long-lasting batteries for key fobs, small electronics, or tracking devices, these are a safe and convenient choice. What people say. The battery pack is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges my phone quickly and efficiently, providing multiple charges on a single full charge. The built-in cables are a convenient feature, eliminating the need to carry extra cords. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.